Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Nasim from nasimreza.com, and today I'm going to talk about the Shopify dashboard. If you don't know about Shopify dashboard, that I am going to discuss all the Shopify features, and if you already know about the Shopify, then this video is not for you because this is only the discuss that I will show you how many features or how you can use the Shopify. Okay, so let's back. Guys, when you log in your Shopify account, you will see this dashboard. So this is actually a Shopify dashboard. Okay. So we are in the home page, and this little home page actually have everything for you. If you look carefully, then you can see, first of all, they are telling you select a plan. Okay, so if you want to sell on Shopify, you must need to select. It could be the trial or it could be the live plan. So for first 3 months, you can spend $1 per month. So that actually they are telling me, okay, which is great, and I love this 3 month package on Shopify. Okay, and the next part is my store section. So what is my test store? This is actually the store name. So when you made the account, by default you create a Shopify store, and this is the name that actually showing here. If you want, you can easily change it from there, like this and this. Okay, so this is actually will take you on the general page, but we will discuss about the next. So this is the design store. So what they, it's actually the step by step process. They are telling you how you can build your business as a beginner and how your store you can be the live on your store. Okay, so first select a plan, then add first product, then design your store, and then set up payment method and review your shipping rate and customize your domain. So this actually four or five actually the step that you have to follow if you want to run your business. So this is the homepage overview. Okay, don't worry, I will see you, like actually I will make every step on my playlist, so don't worry, just you have to follow this step by step process. Okay, so let me show you the all the features or they actually Shopify offer. So first of all, we are in homepage, then go to order section. So when your store is ready and you are getting sales, you will see all the orders in this order section. Okay, then the next step is the product. So product, you can upload your product from here. Also you can import from the product from another site, no problem, we will show you everything. Also you can find product to sell on like the big source image or apps. Like some people actually use Shopify for starting dropshipping, they actually use any app to add the product. Okay, so here is a couple of feature also on there: collection, inventory, purchase order, transfer, gift card. So we will talk about step by step, but this is the, just keep in mind, this is the order product section, and we can access all the product related things on there. Okay, next is customer. So when you sell product and the people will be your customer, you will see their information on there. Okay, and then this is marketing part. So how many, like if you add multiple sales channel, how much you are spending on ads and how much you are going to sell, you will see on there. You can also check your campaign, you can attribute, like this is the overview. Okay, you will get see on the there. So there is the no data, that's why actually you are seeing it's a blank, because this history is very new. Okay, so discount, if you have any discount code you can launch, then you can make from here. Then content, like all the content that you have, it's meta object, files, menu, blog post, all you can control from this content section. Okay, then markets. So markets, here is a catalog also, you can see this is the market. If you want, we are this store actually now only for United States, but if you want to launch your store for another country, you can easily make market. Okay, then finance. So this is the finance, like how much you have to, your balance is now to withdraw, so everything you will see on there. And bill pay, credits, all the finance related thing you will see on there. And this is the analytic thing. So their built-in Shopify analytics is awesome. So I just love to see on analytics section. So if you want, you can use the third-party analytics if you want easily, but this is quite good for you if you are content beginner. Okay, so you can generate report, you can check the live visitor on there, so which is pretty good. Okay, and this is the sales channel, which is important. Now it's online store. So what is online store means? Your website. Okay, so if you want to launch your product on Google Merchant, on Facebook Shop, on TikTok Shop, then you can add this kind of sales channel and you can easily launch your product on their platform. Okay, and this is apps which is very much useful for you, because why you should add the apps. So for WooCommerce call it's a plugin, and Shopify say it's a app. So if you want to get third-party platform, then you can use their apps. So with apps, your problem will solve and you will love, and sometimes you will amazed to see how you can control your business with on single apps. Okay, and one another things which is the conversion, and also they have the to-do list. They're suggesting you what you have to do for launching your first store. And then the main and another important part is setting. So when you click on setting, you will see this more feature are available on there. So this is general section. If you want to change your store billing address, your store email address, your currency, all the thing you will see on the general. This is the plan. So if you want to delete your store, or if you want to manage your plan, then you can come here and you can choose a plan. Okay, and then billing, like you have to pay their billing, like which package you are going to pick, and how much money you have to pay for that, you will see on the billing. And user, so this is also a great thing that I love, which is users. Like you are not expert and you want to hire, like you are doing a partner business, then you can add users. Okay, also you can add like you can give access someone who actually will help you to build your business, you can add as a user. Okay, then payment, it's also another important thing. Like if you want to get payment, then you have to connect your payment processing system, for example Shopify, like Stripe, AirWLX, Payoneer, all kind of platform you can add in there. I will show you one by one. Okay, then checkout, and like you can control your checkout page, like what kind of information you are getting from your client on checkout page, you will see on there. So this is the customer account. So if some customer will add account on your store, you will see on there. So this is shipping and delivery, this is tag duties, this is location, this is apps, sales channels, and this is domain. So if you want to make your like add your mother domain like .com, then you can add there. You can buy domain from Shopify. Also you can add third party platform like Hostinger, the Namecheap domain on there. Okay, and this is another important section called customer event. Like if you want to track like with the third party platform, like you want to install Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, then you should use this platform, add custom pixels. So this is the like advanced section. You will need an expert to do that. I will discuss also that. No, don't worry. And this is also some meta field and meta object. Also the language, if you add another language also, you can do that. And customer privacy also here, like you can see the customer privacy pop-up will show on there. So also you can see this is the policy. So I will show you how you can add this kind of page on your store. So this is actually the overview, a quick overview with Shopify, like how you can control and what kind of thing you are going to do. So that's actually all that I wanted to show you. Like this is the quick introduction about Shopify overview, and next few video I will show you how to complete this kind of thing and launch your first Shopify store as soon as possible. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel. See you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.